So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you Apple release new iOS 16.6.1 for iPhone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get that and how you can install it in your iPhone and what's new in that iOS update. So let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly move to the iPhone settings. In settings section you need to scroll down and tap on general. You can see appears on screen software update. Tap on software update and wait for a moment. You can see appears on screen iOS 16.6.1 update showing here in my iPhone 13 Pro Max. This update is round about 225.8 MB. This update provides improvement security fixes and is recommended for all users. So basically there is no new update in that iOS update, just fix some kind of bugs that you can see in previous update like battery draining issue and other. So if you don't see that update in your iPhone, make sure you turn off your beta iOS update. If that turn it on, you can't see that update in your iPhone. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know what's new in that update and how you can get that in your iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.